Well, good evening, everyone. I'm Meteorologist Adam Claibon here with you on this Tuesday, which has been beautiful. Lots of sunshine out there and still a lot of clear skies ahead as we head into the night, too, meaning just like this morning, it's going to be very chilly to start off Wednesday morning, too. We'll go over what those lows were for this morning and kind of show you how it's expected to be similar, if not even colder, in a few spots for tomorrow morning. Also talk about the next rain chance when we do expect those showers to make their way back in here across western Washington, and when that can mean some more mountain snow. And yeah, one more last thing. Mariners up 2-0 against the Blue Jays now. They'll be heading back here to Seattle for Game 3 ALCS. We'll give you the forecast for that, what's expected for Wednesday evening. First, though, let's talk about this morning and how cold it did get. Temperatures dipped all the way down into the mid and upper 20s down that way around Shelton and in Olympia, down around that freezing point in Puyallup and just above it around Quileute and Port Angeles, down to 40 in Everett, 39 in Bellingham, while highs today, a lot of 50s out there, some 60s too, but a lot of us have been on a stretch of 50s here recently, dating all the way back into the weekend. So it's been cooler than normal. Typically highs should be in the lower 60s at this point of the year, and well, it looks like we'll get back up to that heading into the day tomorrow as this air mass does begin to modify. Expecting to see tomorrow a high of 61 after another chilly start tomorrow morning. A bit cooler, extra clouds are expected to bring maybe a slight chance of a shower by the latter part of the day on Thursday. Better chances into Thursday night and then into Friday, but more widespread chances coming in as we go into the weekend. Could almost be a repeat of what we had just this past weekend with the best chances on Sunday. More on that here in a second. First, I wanted to take you out to a few spots. First, here at Hurricane Ridge, as we still have that white dusting snow that's showing up there on the mountains. Definitely melting away from what we've had here over the past couple of days in terms of sunshine. Paradise, similar story, melting snow, but beautiful sunshine there. Some fresh snow up on top Mount Baker, Port Angeles, looking from our camera there. That's looking really nice. And looking at Mount Rainier with the fresh snow that we've gotten there throughout more of Saturday and Sunday. Looking great. Could definitely use a little more though. And overall, Tacoma looking pretty beautiful here into the first part of our Tuesday evening. A little wind out there too, a little bit of a shake to the camera, and we'll have less of that as we head on into the night. Here in Everett, clear, beautiful blue skies for us there too. And then looking from our Columbia Tower camera here in Seattle, wanted to give you a closer look of Mount Rainier and some of the fresh snow that we've seen there. And overall, these clear skies, they're hanging with us into the night. Still kind of breezy though. Right now, winds coming out of the north at about 14 miles per hour. We're going to drop those temperatures down because of the clear skies as we head into the night, and expect to see more low 40s and upper 30s here around a lot of King County. For outside areas, we're going to be back near that freezing point and if not even see some 20s again for early tomorrow morning. Here's radar. These are looking quiet, kind of similar to yesterday. Eastern part of the state, a few more clouds, and across eastern Oregon too, seeing a bit more of that, and then a lot more of the active weather down into California as that area of low pressure continues to spin even farther south, helping to produce rainfall all the way down into parts of Southern California, getting closer to that Mexico borderline there around San Diego and heading down there into Mexico. We're out of the way when it comes to that system. So again, with high pressure in control here as we head into the night and into the day for tomorrow, not much change. Tomorrow afternoon, we see a few clouds beginning to pass on by. That will head off to the east, and we'll expect to see things kind of remain quiet yet again into tomorrow night. We do expect by Thursday some rain to come back into the picture, and it's at this point that we'll have slightly higher chances beginning to arrive. And even with that, you're talking closer to sunset, if not after sunset at that point, and just a few light showers pushing on through as we head into Thursday night and into the day on Friday, which will be very spotty in nature and really amount to a little of anything at all. So when we're talking about the forecast tomorrow, the M's and the Blue Jays, first pitch is at 5:08. We're going to have some clear skies around, expecting to see a bit more of those clouds as we head on into the evening, but no worries about any sort of active weather impacting the game at all. Winds should be quite a bit lighter as we head on into that point too. If you are heading out to the game though, do keep in mind that those temperatures will drop quickly into the night, so it might be an open roof type of night, but it is going to be a chilly night. You'll be able to look up and see the clear skies that are going to be with us. Hopefully another Mariners win. All right, let's get back into the forecast. You'll see that as we head into Friday, showers will decrease and diminish. We'll head on into Saturday. early morning, I think we're dry. By the middle and latter part of the day, we're starting to see a better chance of rain arrive. We'll have higher chances into Sunday as that system moves on through, and then we'll head on into next Monday and Tuesday, kind of different from what we had this week where things cleared out. Looks like seeing some chances of rain as we head on into that point. Tonight's lows, we're going to see a lot of low to mid 30s outside of that Pierce, Snohomish, and King County area. If you're outside of there, expect to get really close to that freezing point. Around there, though, maybe upper 30s to low 40s for overnight lows. And then it looks like for highs tomorrow will be just slightly warmer. Sunshine, modifying air mass, at least back into the low 60s for a lot of spots and not into the mid 60s in others. And here's your 7-day forecast. 61, chilly start to the day tomorrow, and then plenty of sunshine by the afternoon. Rain more so Thursday night into Friday, and then more widespread and heavier showers coming through as we head into the weekend, Saturday evening, Saturday night, and into the day on Sunday. And we'll keep those highs more so into the 50s as we head on into that point and see maybe some additional showers as we head on into next Monday and Tuesday. All right, everyone, well, enjoy this quiet evening. If you have any plans for your Tuesday night, dress warm, and dress warm also, too, as you head out into Wednesday morning. Have the kids ready, too, as they head out to the bus stop. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.